Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a light cleaning in my girls' room and also rearranging their beds and just moving some stuff around. Since we moved in, I haven't really, did anything to their room. We just which we moved in like 4 years ago, y'all. So excuse me, I'm kind of late with the decorating, but it is what it is. So I'm just going to be kind of just moving some things around in their room. And I'm going to be adding some curtains and a rug, just some little things, little here and there. And, as the time goes on, I'm going to continue to decorate their room and, my son's room and then my room as well. But y'all, I've just been lately I've just been in this mood of just wanting to clean up and organize and just get my house finally in order. Not saying that my house is dirty or anything, it's just I kind of just had everything set in a certain place for a while now and just haven't really just moved it around, a different part of the room, but stuff like that. So I'm just gonna be doing a light cleaning in their room today. And hopefully Amaya, which is the youngest, she'll really like this new change to her room, and this will give them some more space, and the beds won't be so close together. I just basically just let them do what they wanted to do with the room and put their beds where they wanted to put their beds, and that was it. But stay tuned.
This might be right. Either you feel it or you don't. Might give it a try, yeah. Our bodies collide. Baby, you're everything I want. Let's give it some time, yeah. Somebody told me I should hit and run, but they don't know, they don't know, they don't know. Nobody knows but us how we roll, how we roll. Nobody knows what we got but us, but us. Let them keep talking, let them believe that they know, 'cause they don't, no they don't, no they don't. Let them believe that they know, 'cause they don't, no they don't, no they don't. I feel so alive. When I'm with you, I'm on flight mode. You move me inside, yeah. Then we get disturbed. So many people let me know I should bounce from your world, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Somebody told me I should hit and run, but they don't know, they don't know, they don't know. Nobody knows but us how we roll, how we roll. Nobody knows what we got but us, but us. Let them keep talking, let them believe that they know, 'cause they don't, no they don't, no they don't. Let them believe that they know, 'cause they don't, no they don't, no they don't. Let them keep talking, they don't, they don't, they don't. How we roll. Let them keep talking, they don't, they don't, they don't. How we roll. Do 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 do, yeah. Do 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 do. One step forward, two steps backwards, yeah. Immature lover who don't use big words, yeah. I don't need convincing at all because I know what I want. Baby, can't you figure it out? What's going on in your heart? What's it gonna take for you to love me? here, baby. I fear we gon' disappear. Do you even want me? Do you even worry that I'm gonna love somebody else? Do you think about me when you're feeling lonely by yourself? What's it gonna take for you to love? Take for you to love me? What's it gonna take for you to show? Take for you to show feels, yeah. I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience low. Think it's time you let me know. What's it gonna take for you to love? Take for you to love me, yeah. One step forward, two steps backwards, yeah. Time's about run out to use those big words, yeah. I don't need convincing at all because I know what I want. Baby, dig deep, it's time to make a move on my heart. What's it gonna take for you to love? Take for you to love me? What's it gonna take for you to show? Take for you to show feels, yeah. I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience low. Think it's time you let me know. What's it gonna take for you to love? Take for you to love me, yeah.
Yo, I had saw this TikTok hack where you take the command strip hooks or whatever, and the silver ones, the silver hooks or whatever, and you put it on your wall, and you use it for curtains to put your curtain rod on. And you know what? I actually like this because now I don't have to continue to wait on my husband, because I continue to wait on him. It took him forever just to put the blinds up. And I know it's going to take him forever just to put up the curtains if I ask him. So this way I could just do it myself, and I'm probably going to do it throughout my house on the parts where he hasn't already drilled and put the curtains up for me already. So hey guys, so check that out. If you want to go to Walmart, I found them at Walmart, and I also saw some at Lowe's, and they're only like $6 a piece. I think Walmart was a little cheaper, but just do it by yourself. Don't have to wait on your husband. Get you a little ladder and put your stuff up by yourself. Don't have to wait on him, because I know if I continue to wait, I'll be waiting for the rest of the damn year. But yeah. We got this comforter set for our oldest daughter from Walmart for I think about $35. It came with the comforter, bed, sham, and pillowcase, sheets, all that stuff. And then this set I got from At Home for our youngest, and altogether it cost me about $45 to $50. She actually begged me for this comforter set, and I just called her dad. Her dad was like, go on ahead and get it. So yeah. I got this curtain set from Walmart for about $15 altogether, and then I got the little white rod, which I felt like I should have got silver since the command strips were silver, but I don't know, I wasn't thinking at the time. I was just ready to get home. But for the rod, I paid for about $8, and then the curtains, like I said, I paid $15 for the curtain, and with the command strips, which I ended up having to go to Lowe's to get them. I paid $6 a piece for the little silver hooks. Y'all, I had got this cute rug from City Trends for about $9.99. They have a lot of nice, good, cute decor stuff, for the low. Go check City Trends out. They also have like clothing, name brand clothes for your kids. They have really good stuff in it. You just gotta go. Sometimes it don't hit, but sometimes it does. You just gotta check them out. What'd you think?
Mommy?
What? Look how much space y'all have. I mean, I'm gonna get some pictures and stuff to put on the walls. Not done decorating, but for the most part, y'all got all this space right here.
How did I do this?
I did that by myself today.
So, when did you get this today?
I got that today. I got that this morning. I went to Walmart and got rods and stuff and curtains. That's not yours? It was on your dresser. Maybe it's Amaria's.
Which is like a kid?
So you like your room?
Yes, Mommy. Like, I love it so much.
I bet. We're gonna get some more stuff to put in here. That was from the dresser. So the dresser wouldn't fall on anybody, but I couldn't get it out. So Daddy's gonna have to move it and put it over here in this wall so the dresser doesn't fall.
I can't see. Amara's gonna be so happy.
I bet. Put your shoes on the side, and you and Amari, y'all gonna clean up y'all closet.
What? Mommy, our closet's already clean.
No, it's not. We won't let everybody see y'all closet. Look. It's not that bad, but
What are you talking? What?
y'all need to
Amaria!
y'all need to clean up and straighten up this closet.
I'm about to clean it up so I don't have to.
And we probably need to get rid of some of the stuff that's in here, like some of these clothes that y'all don't wear, some of these jackets that y'all don't wear, shoes that I know that y'all don't wear anymore. Well, Maria's shoes, I know she still wears some of those, but your shoes you don't wear anymore. You got a lot of crap in here. Well, not a lot, but you know. Well, I'm glad you like your room, baby. We're going to add some more stuff to it.
Why?
Well, something on the walls. I feel like the walls are just too bare. We need like something on them. Like I'm going to get some pictures, probably some organizers and stuff to put on the wall. Yeah, I got like some type of grease stain over here on my wall, but
Where?
eventually we're going to paint, you know. Eventually we're going to, right here. Y'all got some type of grease on the wall. Y'all don't even eat upstairs, so what is that? It must be like hair oil or something because...
I'm about to go ahead and look. What's the
Well, baby, I'm glad you liked your room.
the way you like it? Mommy, what are you talking about? What grease stain?
Well, it don't matter now.
What grease stain, Mommy? I don't see no grease stain. Where is it?
Right there on the wall. What is that? It's hair oil. Has to be.
Yeah.
Because y'all don't even eat up here.
Mommy, I forgot what my bed was.
Your bed was like up. It was turned a different way.
And Amari thing was like.
And Amari bed was right here in front of blocking the closet. I don't know why I had put the bed there, but it was blocking the closet.
I feel like, Mommy, I feel like that moved somewhere else, and that just moved somewhere else.
I was like, who's that coming up the stairs? MJ scared me. Bubba, you scared me. I forgot you was downstairs.
Baba, you like.
Okay, fine. You didn't scare me.